A business without clients is no business at all. Satisfying your clients and understanding their need is key to the success of your business. An effectively operating business is a successful business. That is done by having a fluid operating team that works smoothly and with synergy to achieve goals, reach targets and deadlines. Experienced agents in many fields dedicated to help your business satisfy your clients to excellence. We help your business SLA backlog with our specialists by implementing various solutions to help your business service your clients to excellency. Happy clients make a profitable business by delivering excellent service. Our specialized advisors with years of experience will help you achieve this goal. By giving the team the right training, you build a healthy, strong team, efficient and prepared by our specialized trainers. If you want to award your business to strive, make profit and operate efficiently, contact our team of specialized advisors and agents. They will help you directly. We are the bridge to success. A successful business starts with a successful team, well trained and well prepared to attend all the customer needs to excellency. Thank you for watching. Try our demo now on www.bossspecialist.com. Help your business strive and profit again.